Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today I'm sharing an amazing chicken tikka recipe with you. Once you try it, I'm sure you'll make it again and again because it's incredibly juicy, flavorful, and so easy to prepare at home. So let's get started. First, take 500 grams of boneless chicken, cut it into medium-sized cubes, wash it well, and transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Now add 2 small onions, cut into large chunks, 1 capsicum cut into cubes, and 1 tomato cut into large pieces. Next, add chicken tikka masala, salt to taste, chili sauce, and chili flakes. Mix everything really well until the chicken and vegetables are evenly coated with the spices. Now cover the bowl and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour so the chicken can marinate properly. After 1 hour, thread the chicken, onion, capsicum, and tomato onto skewers one by one. Wow! Look at these colorful chicken tikka skewers. They already look so delicious. Now prepare some hot charcoal. I have made a simple homemade barbecue by placing bricks on both sides and keeping the hot charcoal underneath. Place all the skewers over the charcoal and cook them on low heat. When one side is cooked, take a small bowl and mix a little ghee with some chicken tikka masala. Using a brush, apply this mixture over the chicken. Turn the skewers over and brush the other side as well. Keep turning the skewers every 30 seconds so the chicken cooks evenly and stays juicy. In about 20 minutes, your delicious homemade chicken tikka will be perfectly cooked. Our chicken tikka is now ready. Carefully remove the chicken and vegetables from the skewers and arrange them on a serving plate. Sprinkle a little black pepper powder on top for extra flavor. Serve hot with mint chutney, sliced onions, lemon wedges, and naan. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Also, let me know in the comments how your chicken tikka turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious recipe.